Are you interested in making money online? If yes, then you need to try out this strategy right now, as I'm going to walk you through how to make money with Leonardo AI utilizing the print-on-demand business model. So stick on with me as we dive right into this video. Now, if you're actually familiar with Leonardo AI, you will know that Leonardo AI is an image generating tool that you can use to generate cool and amazing images just like Midjourney, Blue Willow, and DALL-E right there. And the amazing thing about Leonardo AI is that Leonardo AI is actually a free platform. You can just simply go on to sign up for an account. You don't need any credit card details to sign up or create an account. Once you create an account, you'll be brought to a home page that looks similar to this, where you can see some of the amazing images that were generated by some individuals utilizing this platform previously, and you can actually do see how cool those images actually are. Now, to generate an image for yourself, you just need to click on image generation right now in this particular section. Once you do click on that, guys, the page is actually going to load up to where you can just simply insert a description and get on to creating your own image. Now you can see right here that I just simply need to come right here inside the description, to which I want to just simply utilize to generate an image, and I'm just going to generate my image via clicking on the generate button right here in this particular section. I do get about 150 tokens to use each and every single day, and you're going to see how many tokens that will be used to generate just this single image, or this image right now, generating 2 images for this particular description. Now you can increase the number of images, but increasing the number of images will actually increase the number of tokens you actually be utilizing right there. You can actually go into editing the properties of the image, also the image dimension and the aspect ratio right here via this particular section. Once you're done, you can select a very cool fine-tune model for your choice right now. There are actually various fine-tune models you can utilize, and I actually utilize the absolute reality for these images, which you can see on the screen. Now if you keep on scrolling through, you can see much more images I created utilizing this platform right now. Once you actually created an image and you want to download the image, just simply over on the image and click on the download icon to download the image. And guys, to download or to create image, like I said, just simply go into inserting your text prompt right here and click on generate after inserting that text prompt, and your image will be generated. Now once that has actually been done, guys, you can just simply go on to monetizing such images utilizing a very cool strategy called the print-on-demand business model. And if you're not familiar with that, here's what it's all about. The print-on-demand business model is a business model where products such as apparels, accessories, or home decorations are only produced when an order is being placed. And guys, the cool thing about this is that it eliminates the need for you to have an inventory management or to go on to paying for upfront costs. Now with this particular platform, you can actually, or this particular business model, you can actually go on to starting up for free without any capital. You don't need any capital to start up business such as this. And here is what this particular business is all about right now. Taking a look at this image right now, this is the life cycle of the print-on-demand business model and how it actually works. Now all you actually need to do is to just simply have an online store, and that store is going to be a digital store whereby you just simply go into inserting designs which you actually create, and such designs may be designs of t-shirts, hoodies, home decorations, other accessories, maybe pillowcases, bedspreads, and a lot more cool and amazing stuff like that. Now if you actually create a lot of designs such as that, or for products like that, you can just simply list that in your online shop or online store. And once customers actually go through your store, they see such products, maybe they do like the product and places an order for that product. Now your store receives that order and just simply sends that to a print-on-demand platform you are actually working with. The print-on-demand platform also receives the order from your store and go on to creating that particular product for absolutely free. The print-on-demand platform brings that design to life, create the product, packages the product, and ships that to your customers right now. Now the cool thing about this is that you're going to be getting paid from the customer, but you and the print-on-demand platform are actually going to share the profit which you do make. So basically that's what the print-on-demand business model actually entails. And there are a lot of print-on-demand platforms you can actually leverage. Examples include the Printify or Printful right here, where you can build and grow your business with Printify or Printful rather. As you can see, you could create and sell custom on-demand products with no inventory. It's easy to use. You do get unmatched quality and competitive pricing. You could also check out the Printful or Printify right here also. where you can create and sell custom products 100% free to use. You do get up to 900 plus high quality products, and it is the largest global print network as they claim to be right now. So you can just simply check out much more details about the platform right now, that you could create designs on caps, phone cases, t-shirts, stockings, hoodies, mugs, and a lot more cool other stuffs. Now you could also utilize Redbubble, also Zazzle, and also Teespring. There are a lot of print on demand platform you could leverage. Just simply pick some and stick with them and utilize them to make some cool cash. Now if you want to make some money with this print on demand business model with Leonardo AI, all you actually need to do is to sign up to one of the print on demand platform. Supposing I'm utilizing Teespring right here, I can actually just simply go on to creating a store first. Now if I do go onto the store right now, I can just simply create a simple store on this particular platform. Now so for some print on demand platforms, right, they actually do have a store already embedded in them, and you can just simply see this particular store right now. So if you take a look at these guys, this is a store for the Teespring print on demand platform, where you could edit the store, you could view the store, you could update the names, and guys, you can actually go into adding an existing domain. You could also purchase a new domain right now if you want to do that. You could check out your social profile and edit that to your preference. Now supposing you want to just simply create a product right here, you should just simply click on create a product right now. And if you do click on that, guys, it's gonna take you to the page where you could just simply go into selecting the exact product which you want to just simply go into editing and create something quite cool. Now if you keep on scrolling through, you can see there are a lot of products that you can just simply insert your design on. You can see this is actually a very cool hoodie, and if I do keep on scrolling through, I can actually go into checking all 180 plus products. Maybe I actually do like this kind of hoodie and I want to just simply edit that, or I want to edit an image or a t-shirt such as this. I'm just going to select the t-shirt right now. If I do select that, I'm going to wait for the page to load up. So if you take a look at these guys, I can actually go into inserting my design or designing this right here. As you can see, this is the preview section. You want to make sure that you are on the design phase. Now on that design phase, guys, I want to just simply design something or add a very cool image on this particular section. You can actually add images, you can add text if you want, but I'm going to add in an image. If I do click on add image, I'm going to select the image I actually downloaded from my print on demand platform. As you can see, this is the image right here. I can just simply go on to increasing the size of the image based on how I actually do want. But you can actually make sure you are selecting an image that actually has a very cool quality, because enlarging the image right there actually goes on to reducing the quality of the image right now. As you can see, the quality is actually poor because I actually increased the size, but this is a very cool, good quality, which is why when creating an image with Leonardo AI, you want to make sure you're getting the dimensions right well to the image you're actually generating before going on to the print on demand platform. Now once you've done that, guys, you can select the color which you actually want to utilize. As you can see, this is a cool color. Maybe I'm just going to drag this to the top right now, and you can see how cool this actually looks like. Make sure you do create a very cool design right there. I'm just using this as an example. Once you're done, you could preview this in this preview page, and you're going to see how cool that actually is. Now we're actually on the first stage, which is actually designing. We can go on to the next stage, which is just for the styles right now. Now once I'm actually done designing, I'm going to click on continue to go on to the next phase. But guys, take note that before you go on to the next phase, you can actually go on to inserting the price which you're just simply going to sell that particular t-shirt for. You can see, guys, that this is the price right now that I'm utilizing, and this is the profit margin I'm going to be earning. So once you're done with that, if you don't go on to increasing the price right here, maybe I do go on to increasing this to something like $29, you can see the profit margin. Once you're done, click on continue and come onto the style section. Now you could just simply go on to adding that same design for a hoodie, t-shirt, a mug, and add as many as you want right now, and that particular design will be added to each and every one of them. Once you're done, you can actually go on to editing that right there. You can actually see the prices for each of them, which you could also edit. Then click on continue once you're done to go on to launching that particular design. Now once you do go on to the launching phase, that's where you're just simply going to go on to inserting a very cool name for that particular brand or that particular lineup or designs, and just simply launch that right now, and that will actually be connected to your store. A lot of people will be able to see that in your store after giving this a name, a description, and launch this on this particular platform. Now that's absolutely quite cool. Now to make money with these guys, people just simply need to go on to see your design. If they purchase the design, this particular platform called Teespring is actually going to help you create or bring those designs to life and ship that to your customers, and you and the platform are going to share the profit right there. So to actually go on to increasing your profit margin, you can just simply go on to connecting your store with platforms like Etsy, or maybe you could utilize the Amazon FBA also to go on to utilizing such platforms and get much more traffic to your designs and make a lot of cool cash. Now if you're going to searching for t-shirt right now on this particular platform, so the page is still loading up, but once the page loads up, you'll be able to see some cool and amazing designs that people are actually selling on the platform. And you can see this person actually has about 8.2 thousand sales or reviews for that particular product right there. So you can also link your t-shirt or your store to this particular platform to get more sales. You can also utilize platforms like Pinterest right here. Pinterest is a very cool platform that gets a lot of traffic right now. Pinterest get about 1.1 billion visits every single month, so you can actually leverage such kinds of traffic to make money online in a very cool and easy way. Now how do you do that right there? It's just simply to create pins about such designs and upload on this platform, alongside inserting a link leading them to your store or your online store right there for them to go on to purchasing that particular design. Now you could also go on to utilizing this particular tool called the trends.pinterest.com, as this tool will actually help you find out what is actually trending on Pinterest, and you could leverage what is trending, create designs about what is trending, and go on to uploading that on Pinterest to get some cool traffic. You also need to take note that about 72% of audiences on Pinterest are actually female, which is why you may actually want to promote stuff that are actually much more appealing to the female gender, and with that guys, you could also make a lot of money online with that. So I do hope this video was helpful. As you can see, we actually went through how you could easily utilize Leonardo AI to create and make money with the print on demand business model. And guys, if the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all so as to always get alerted whenever I release some videos to help boost your income online. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.